Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to use Amazon Q in AWS Console. So, I will show where it is Amazon Q available in AWS Console and I will show how to use it, how to use Amazon Q to search like that. Some some scenarios I will explain. So, let's get started. Open AWS Console. So sign into console. This is the home page of the AWS. So region I am using US East one. See where it is Amazon Q. So it is a Amazon Q. This icon is a Amazon Q. So click here. So if you want to search something, you can search. We can also move like this. So like explain me about Sega design pattern in Spring Microservices along with sample code. See, I am searching. So I will explain the Sega design pattern in Spring Microservices. Provide you with comprehensive sample code example. Like anything we can search by using this Amazon Q. So I am using a pre-trial account. See it is what is Sega pattern? Two main approaches: choreography, orchestrator, sample implementation. It is explaining very clearly. See how clearly it is explaining. This is the one use case. So I am opening another. Suppose I am going to S3 bucket. I will create first I will check if there any buckets available. If it is not available, I will create few buckets here. So one bucket is already available. So I will create another bucket. Then I will ask. So bucket name, my some random number, some text. Bucket name unique, right? So public access I am enabling. Acknowledgement is mandatory. Create. It is created, right? Two buckets are there. So I will ask list out all S3 buckets in this account. Let's see in this account. Let's see it will able to list out or not. Two buckets are there. It will able to list out or not. Let's see. See two bucket is list out. A first interview guide 2025 one bucket and second one bucket. So I will ask last 4 hours which services used. So let's see it will can able to find out or not. I am used RDS and S3. Just now I used S3 too. Let's whereby it is able to find out or not. So any Java related questions, it will helps any programming questions. AWS also, like you are created some load balancer, something, some service. You can ask list out that service like S3 buckets, list out all S3 bucket. It will list out with along with configuration, which region you are selected, public access or not, like that. So based on the cloud rail events, so it is find see S3 we are used Amazon Q AWS Foundation. So it is not giving properly, but it is some it is able to give some answer, correct answer, not exactly. So I will ask create one S3 bucket with random name. It will create or not. So I can only retrieve inspect existing. So it is giving process to create. It can only retrieve. It cannot write. It cannot do like auto creation. So by using this Amazon Q, we can fetch what are the services like suppose easy to were created. Uh, list out easy to details. List out all easy to details. Suppose list out all inbound roles. Inbound roles. It will go. What are the inbound? List out all inbound rules. It will give all in security groups inbound rules, outbound rules are there, right? So I am asking. By defaultly, one inbound rule will be there. Let's see it is able to find or not. So we can ask Java related dots. We can ask here. So under AWS related dots, we can ask and whatever services we are created. Like we are created S3 buckets, few S3 buckets. If we ask list out all S3 buckets created, it will list out all. So let's see default one security group will be there, inbound rule will be there. Let's see it is able to find out or not. RDS inbound security group. Yeah, this is I am created. So to connect RDS, but RDS instance I am deleted. So it is still exist this group default security group. Yeah, two security groups are there. It is successfully find out. So it's good. We can by this way we can use Amazon key in AWS Console. Let's change another region. It is available or not. Let's check. Suppose California. Suppose not California. AP South Mumbai. Let's check it is available or not. Yeah, it is available. So most of the regions it is available. If it is not available in your region, just change it. Thank you for watching. In this video, we have successfully understand what to use Amazon Q in AWS Console.